Are you in the middle of a divorce and wondering how you'll manage financially while everything's still being settled? You might have heard your attorney mention something called temporary spousal support. But what exactly is it? And how does it work? So how does the court decide how much temporary support you get? Well, judges look at several key factors, and understanding these can really help you prepare your case. First, there's income. The court reviews what each spouse earns: wages, bonuses, investments, even rental or retirement income. The goal is simple: to make sure both spouses can cover their basic needs without one being unfairly burdened. If you're asking for support, it's smart to gather proof of all income sources and clear records of your monthly expenses. This evidence helps the judge make a fair decision. Next, the court looks at childcare responsibilities. If one spouse is caring for the children and can't work full-time because of that, judges often provide extra support. Having documentation of childcare duties and expenses can really strengthen your request. Then, there's standard of living during the marriage. Courts try to keep both spouses close to the lifestyle they had before the divorce. Not luxurious, but fair and familiar. They'll review things like housing costs, travel, and spending habits to understand what normal looked like for your family. Another big factor: the length of your marriage. Longer marriages usually mean higher or longer-lasting support, especially if one spouse gave up a career to care for the family. In shorter marriages, support may be smaller or even denied altogether. Judges also consider health and age. If one spouse has serious medical needs or can't work due to health issues, they may receive higher payments or longer support. And don't forget employment opportunities, or the lack of them. If the job market is tough, or if a spouse needs training to get back on their feet, temporary support can help bridge that gap until they can earn a steady income again. So, how do you actually request temporary spousal support? It starts with filing a formal motion with the court, usually early in the divorce process. After that, a hearing is scheduled, and you'll need to show proof of your financial need and that your spouse has the ability to pay. Working with a family law attorney can make this process much smoother. They can help you file the right forms, gather evidence, and represent you in court. Once approved, support payments often begin quickly, giving you some much-needed financial relief while everything else gets sorted out. Once approved, support payments often begin quickly, giving you some much-needed financial relief while everything else gets sorted out. Temporary spousal support exists to give you financial stability while your divorce is ongoing. Knowing how it works and what courts look for helps you protect your rights and plan ahead. Let's make sure you're protected and prepared for whatever comes next. Contact Blattner Family Law Group today and take the first step toward protecting your financial future.